What's up guys, this is Phil from Purist Technology, and today we're getting a look at January's top 5 tech deals under $20, and you can find these on Amazon.com. Let's go ahead and get started. We can never have enough battery power, so this 10,000 milliamp portable charger from MOPOWER is ultra slim and includes a flashlight as well, and there's 2 USB outs on there so you can charge 2 devices at the same time. This is currently on sale for $17.99. Check the link below for current pricing. Now that you have your portable battery pack, you can use it to charge this Bluetooth speaker from ZOEE. This one's on sale for only $19.93, and it includes enhanced bass, HD audio, and you can even use it as a speakerphone. I can't believe something this good is under $20. Next up, we've got the CRAZYPONY Mini HD camera. This one has night vision included, can be used as a sports action camera, or you can live stream for security in your house. It supports up to 32 gigabytes of an internal memory card. At only $17.99, this one's definitely worth checking out. If you're looking for an excellent quality cheap tripod, check out the BONTEND flexible tripod with iPhone and smartphone holder. It also comes with a GoPro mount included. This one can hold an SLR camera and even has the ball head where you can move it around and angle it at any way. Name brand tripods like the Joby cost about 3 times as much, and this thing will do the job perfectly fine. At only $18.80, this is definitely one of the best deals. And last in our top 5 tech deals for this month is the Lakes LED Smart Wi-Fi light bulb. This light bulb replaces any standard 60 watts equivalent and does RGB multicolor spectrum. It can be controlled with your smartphone from iOS or Android, or also your Amazon Alexa device. This is a super cool light bulb for under $20 at $17.99. Check it out in the link below. And that's going to wrap it up for your top 5 tech deals on Amazon.com for the month of January. Let me know in the description below which was your favorite from this month, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye.